Hi, I'm Graham Doessel, founder and CEO of MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers in Brisbane. We're the only specialist credit repair law firm in the entire country, and we get defaults removed in as little as 7 days. Look, today I thought I'd talk about how loan inquiries affect your credit score. Most people are surprised that just the mere fact that you make an application for finance, even if it's not accepted or even if you decide not to go ahead with it, that negatively affects your credit score. By how much? Well, depends on the lender, depends on the type of inquiry. But as little as 4 inquiries in the last 6-month period can give you an automatic decline. And as little as 6 inquiries in the whole last 12 months is still an automatic decline by most mortgage insurers. So look, if you've got a problem, if you've got too many inquiries on your credit file and you want to get them removed, give us a call on 1300 667 218. That's 1300 667 218. MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers. We remove inquiries every day and we can improve your credit score accordingly. So give us a call, we'll fix it up. Thanks.